Hello friends, in this video we are going to focus on how to manage your customers who are placing orders on your website. So basically, if a customer is on his checkout page and he selects the details and he checks out, a copy of the order can always be available out here. But if you want to look at all the customers, unique customers that have placed the order, you can actually manage it from here as well. So as you can see that there are two unique customers who ordered from my system, and out here you can see that this customer has placed 10 orders and this customer has placed one order, which we just placed right now. If you want to look at the orders that the customer has placed, then you can click here and it shows you these the orders list, where you can manage all the orders from one place as well for a specific customer. Let's say if I were to look at this customer, you can see that these are the number of orders that the customer has placed. You can further open the order details from here so that you can send the invoice to this customer if that's the need, or you can print that invoice as well. Moreover, if you want to send out emails to all these customers, you can select those customers and send out emails. Having said that, right now if I click on it, then it's going to say please configure your email gateway. In order to configure your email gateway, you need to go into shop settings, or company profile rather. And in the company profile, under email gateway, you can configure your email gateway. We are not going to get into that because that's a different video altogether. But this is how easy it is in order to actually manage your customers from all in one place. Thank you.